Okay, welcome to a little video for this DJI product. I think they were known as Rise Tech, but they changed the name to DJI. Certainly got the build quality of DJI. Little drone, was it weigh about 50 grams, I suppose, with the battery in it. Multi-charger battery, spare battery, USB lead to connect the drone to your computer and to charge the batteries, and also charge the battery within the Tello. Blade protectors to clip on, and some spare blades, and the little tool to remove the blades, and a little flight case as well. Also comes with the gamesir controller, which is like new, and you need your phone. I think you can use iOS and Android, but this is an Android phone just to demonstrate it. So it's hooked up to the little Tello. We get the little blinking light on the front. We've got 360 throw, all the flight modes there. There's the camera output. Just wobble that around like so. Now, it's not got the most sophisticated of cameras, no gimbal or anything like that, but it does work. It takes reasonable images actually. If you just are in hover, it will take a reasonable photograph. We've got fast speed. I'll just put it on fast. We've got Wi-Fi connections. There's more settings there. Photo quality. Actually, I've had it on normal, so I'll put it on high, and it's in mode 2 for the sticks. Altitude 30 meters is top back. Bit rate is an auto. So that's about right. Okay, let's just give it a little fly. So the controller is USB chargeable as well. Just press the right hand button there and Y, and that will take it off. Now, it's a lovely static hover, and it does have sensors on the bottom and a camera at the front. It rotates really quickly. It's got decent sized motors. They're not brushless, but they're brushed, and I reckon it's a really good little fun drone actually, especially in fast mode. Put the blade protectors on it and you can fly this round in at home, no problem at all. Most enjoyable, and no latency on the controller as well. It's dead quick, so it's all bound up, ready to go. Whoop. And it brakes as well, so it sort of goes forward, it stops and just moves back a few inches, and we'll just land it now. And there we go, that's the Tello. Thank you very much.